Good morning. Yes, it is morning. Okay, this is Báidín Fheilimí. You could look at the you could look up the title and find the lyrics to the song on somebody else's YouTube channel. Okay, a couple of little things for the more intermediate and perhaps even advanced players. And that I'm using my fingers to cut notes so I'm going to an F sharp from an E, and before I get to the F sharp, I'm lifting this finger. So it puts a little bit of emphasis on that note. And another thing you might notice is to get that da ba ba ba, I hit the note, the D. So I'm lifting this note finger, then this finger, then this finger. You could just as easily go and use your diaphragm or cut with your throat or work. It all works, it's all musical. It's kind of a question of personal taste. That's enough tech talk, bye-bye.